All right, day 3. I did reorganize my shoes already this morning. I only threw one pair away. The rest I'm gonna leave as is. This shelf is just jewelry trays, just full of different earrings and rings that I wear. That is gonna stay as is. Now I'm gonna start going through my purses. So this I'm keeping. This Louis Vuitton, of course I'm keeping that. So all my purses I'm just gonna keep, I'm putting on the floor. This is a little bag. Okay, hold on one second. Get rid of that. So this stuff is gonna be, get rid of, either sell or sort later. Let's see, what else do we got? This is an Alice bag. I think I will sell that. Disney's pretty popular. I do like that purse, I just am never gonna use it. This is a Louis Vuitton. Let's see, I'm not for sure if this is authentic. I think I have to research it. If it's authentic, I'll keep it. If it is counterfeit, I will throw it away. I know this is real. My husband bought it. Although this is a real Louis. But that one I had got it in a state sale. This is a Tory Burch. I'm gonna keep that. This is a Coach. I'm gonna keep that. This is a Coach. I'm keeping my Coaches only because I know that they're real, but Coach purses get disputed a lot on eBay. And this is a vintage one I'm going to sell, and it's just not worth the headache. I know all mine are real because I got them at the Coach store. So since they all pretty much were gifts from my husband, I'm gonna keep those. This is a Disney Dooney and Bourke. I'm gonna keep that. And then this is a Chanel. I got this at an estate sale. Probably fake. Gotta do a research. Again, if it's real, I'll keep it. If it's counterfeit, I'll throw it away. Alright, so these are bags. A Marc Jacobs bag. An Author bag. Don't need that. Yeah, I have a bad habit of keeping bags. These are dust bags. I'll put my purses in those. Let's see, what is this? Katy Perry. I went to her concert. It was fine. I'll sell that. Someone will want that. These are little, like, bags from races. I'll probably just, like, put in the basement. You never know when you're gonna need a bag. Let's see, these are all race bags. I just don't want them in my closet, so if I'm not gonna use them, I'll find somewhere else. More race bags, race bag, race bag. Alright, so that frees up a shelf. Oh my god. I'm gonna have to get some more bins out of the basement. I'm filling them up way too quickly. Elite events. I think that's more races, hot chocolate, more races. Okay. Oh my god. Too full already. Alright, so this is, oh my god, this is from high school. This is a leather backpack I used a lot. It's just a Liz Claiborne, but I use that a lot. I'll sell that. It's 90s, maybe someone will want that. Coach purse I'm keeping. This is the part where I'm too short, and this is why I have a step stool. Alright, and then I might move, I'm going to lower this shelf so I can put more stuff. Okay, dust bag. This is a dust bag and there's a purse in it. That is probably a Coach. And then this is a Coach bag. I don't know what I'm going to do with that. And then this is just a generic purse. So I will sell that. Alright, so I think I can lower this and make it more practical. Alright, let's start right here. I don't know, Tommy Hilfiger, sell that. Oh, this was a Missouri, this is a camel bag. It's a water bag. I got this as a free gift for participating in some kind of event. So, I don't know, maybe there's a resale value. It's never been used. This is a purse, don't know. Resell that. Let's see, Disney. I still like Alice stuff, just not as much. So, I don't use the purses, so I will definitely, Cruising with Mickey, Alaska 2015. I think someone made this for me on a cruise. I'll keep that, but I'm just gonna toss it over here. All these Disney Alice ones I'm gonna sell. Oh, I might keep that. Oh, no, I'm gonna sell it. The point is I'm never gonna use it, so I gotta get rid of it. Okay, selling that. Let's see, this, I'm keeping this. This is a Parazool bag. This was from, I got this on a cruise. It was one of my first, when I first started having extra money. It was one of my very first splurges. This was like $200. This was even before I was buying Coach purses. And so, memory-wise, I'm keeping it. All right. And then Alice, sell that. See, I have a lot of Alice purses. I really used to love Alice. I do love Alice. I just don't use Alice purses. What is this? Oh, this is a Disney backpack. Someone will want that. Alice. I'm gonna have to get a new, look at this. I'm actually keeping this one because I know my sister gave that to me as a gift. So I do not want to get rid of gifts. And then this one, I'm probably going to keep this one too, just because it's older, it's beat up, and I remember specifically buying this on a trip, and memory-wise, I'm going to keep it. I'm just putting that right there so I don't throw everything down. Alright, so this is keeping this. This was my first arcade purse, Marc Jacobs. Meaning, it's perfect. It's a perfect tote purse. I'll keep that. What is this? Oh, this was like a blues bag I bought. Resell that. I don't know what this is. Some kind of travel thing I got for $1. Sell that. This is one of those Harvey, what do you call it? Seatbelt bags. Sell that. This is an Alice one. Oh my god, I think I'm going to keep this one memory-wise. And then there's a Coach purse I'm keeping. Remember, I just don't mess with Coach purses because there's too many fakes out there, and I just don't want to deal with people questioning them, even though I know all of them are real. Maleficent purse. Get rid of that. Or maybe this is the one Holly got me. Alright, I'm going to keep both of these. I know Holly got me one of these. And then, what is this? It's like one of those liners for the 31 bags. Oh, this is a Pampered Chef liner. Don't want that. Coin purse. I'm keeping this. I got that on an Alaskan cruise. Ooh, a little Coach. Remember when cell phone cases were this small? This was a cell phone case. Not very practical anymore, but I'm keeping that. Dooney and Bourke and Mickey. Absolutely keeping that. This is a Ziploc baggie. Don't know why. Ooh, shelling bag. I will actually keep that for my Florida trip coming up. And what is this? This is a gift bag. Like, you know, it had like lotion and stuff in it for orange flower. I wish they made this stuff. This orange flower perfume was the best. I don't think they make it anymore. Sell that. This is, I got too much Tangled stuff here. Alright, a bunch of coin purses I'm keeping. So put that. I will fix this mess. I'm just cleaning off the shelves. Coach wristlet. Alice wallet. I actually will sell that. Oops. Oh my god, snorkeling stuff needs to probably just be, I don't know, where'd that flower go that was attached to it? So like at Discovery Cove, probably just end up throwing this away. I just kept it as a souvenir. So when you go to Discovery Cove, like they gave you your snorkeling equipment to keep. It came with like a package deal because this was like before they were reusing them. And unless they say Discovery Cove on them, I'm probably just going to throw them away. Let's be realistic, I'm never going to go snorkeling again. I actually will keep the blue bags because they're perfect for shells, but the actual snorkels, I just don't think I'm brave enough to snorkel anymore, so no point in keeping those. All right, these paper flowers I have to keep somewhere. My husband made me for one of our anniversaries, whatever year, was paper flowers. It was funny because he spent like an hour watching YouTube videos trying to figure that out. So that was very sweet of him. This is a purse from St. Augustine. Keep that. It's a souvenir. This is a purse I got in Alaska. A souvenir. This is a little, it needs to be dusted. Oh, probably just gonna throw that away because it's got, this was like a, you know, prom purse, but I see it's a little discolored from age, so probably just throw that away. Oops. And then this is, I don't know, cell phone case. Who knows? Don't want that. This is an actually, it's already 10 minutes. This is gonna be like 20 billion videos. This is a purse. I made it. It is actually like some kind of cone. This is a fabric that I made in college. So this was a crafty phase. So absolutely never used it, but I'll keep it for memory's sake. And then this is my husband. It's full of something. What's in here? Is it $1 million? No! It's cruise stuff. I gotta sort through that. Alright. I don't know. I use this for storage, so put this off to the side with those two purses I need to research. Alright. Next, let's move down a little. I haven't vacuumed yet. I was gonna wait until the very end because I know my floor is gonna get more messy. So, let's see. This is an older purse. And I'll probably just end up throwing it away because it's pretty worn on the edges. I definitely used it a lot. And then, again, this one's probably just going to be thrown away. It's pretty worn. That's an old wicker purse. All right, this door's not working. Give me a second. All right. Well, what do we got here? Yellowstone staff. Oh, remember, I used to work at Yellowstone when I graduated from college. So this is like, I guess they gave this to me. I don't remember it. Doesn't look used. I will sell that. I remember this when I first started going to Disney, and you read the Disboards and everyone's like, oh, you gotta get a Bagolini. So not really impressed with it. Oh, it's got a little schmutz on it. I think I'll wipe that down and sell my Bagolini because I don't really care about that. This is, I know I got this at Disney. This is a Animal Kingdom bag. I will sell that. Oh my god, I got a lot of work ahead of me. Pretty much saying sell everything. This was just a plain old black bag that you don't want to have if you have cats. So, I don't know, lint roll it and donate it. Not a bag for a cat owner. This was a purse. That's probably one of those, you know, that had like perfume and stuff in it. So, yes, I will donate that. Ollie, I'm throwing stuff. I don't want to hit you. Ollie, get out of the way. I'm going to hit you. No, he don't care. All right. This is a nice, oops, sorry, tote bag I picked up at Target. I think I'm going to keep that. Who doesn't need a tote bag? Especially when it's a good beach bag for my upcoming. I'm going to Florida this weekend, but I'm also going to Florida in June. So when I say Florida, I'm talking about my June trip. This is a free bag from Travel and Leisure because I used to subscribe to that magazine. Probably just donate that. I don't know. Here's a, oh, I'm keeping this. Oops, as stuff falls. This is a travel bag I had like all through college and stuff. So memory wise, I'm keeping that. This is just like a cooler bag that came with a free gift with some caviar I bought. I don't know. Probably donate that. Castaway Club bag. It's nice, but I'll never use it, so I will sell that. Anything Disney gets sold. What is that? Oh, this has a bunch of crap in it. It's very heavy. This is like my shooting bag. When I'm talking about shooting is like, you know, shooting a gun, target practice. So this probably has like, for anyone who doesn't believe in shooting guns, sorry, I do. Yeah, so this is like earmuffs, not earmuffs. What do you call it? Headphones. So you don't like ruin your eardrums. So What else is in here? I think there's a GPS when I used to do geocache. Yep, here's my geocaching GPS. All right, I gotta sort through that bag. Decide what I want to do with those contents. I don't geocache anymore. So, I don't know. Is there resale value for older GPSs, or do people not care because everyone's phone now has a GPS on it? All right, Castaway Club bag. Oh my god, I don't even think I'm gonna be able to get out. There's Ollie again. And then a random hanger. Why is that hanger on that shelf? Yes, it's dusty. Keep in mind, I haven't done anything for 4 years in this closet. Besides, you know, just getting everyday clothes. I actually got this at a thrift store, so I think, oops, as they all crumbled out. I'm just gonna redonate some of those bags. Castaway Disney Cruise Line. Totally keeping that. The Flamingo. Totally keeping that. What is this? I don't know. Donate that. I'm gonna have to go downstairs and get some more totes. This crab bag. It is a cute crab bag. Donate it. There's another random hanger. Alright. Alright. I might be stopping right here. Let me do a couple more. So this is all little coin purses. So I need to... I don't want to throw these on the ground, so I'm going to get a box and sort through those. There's a Blues hat. Not getting rid of that. Let's see what's in here. Is this a Coach purse? I don't, you know what, I might just get a tub, put all my Coach purses in the tubs and just throw them in the basement for now, because I don't want to sell them, but I don't want to donate them. I don't know what I want to do with them. So this was a gift from Holly. Totally keeping that. This is some random beaded garland. I have no idea why I have that. Donate that. This is a shell bag. Put that aside for Florida. This is a cruise bag. I don't know. I'm going to do one shelf of like memento purses, and we'll see how many fit. And then whatever doesn't fit is going to get donated. There's another one of those for this one. See? Discovery Cove. It's nice. I'm never going to use it. Let's throw that away. Another coin purse. Okay, so these towels I'm going to find a different spot for. These are just like souvenir map, I don't know, handkerchiefs. And so I have a bunch. I need to gather them all up and decide what I'm going to do with them. So put that to the side for now. And these are all these coin purses that I will go through. And then these are, I don't know, what is this? Just a jewelry bag. Like I said, I need to go back through this shelf. So these are all like, I have this really bad habit of not throwing boxes away when they're really pretty. So these are old Vera Bradley boxes that I just couldn't throw away. And then this is a Louis Vuitton box. Of course, I'm not going to throw that away. I actually store my Louis Vuittons in the boxes. So, ooh, a dime. I'm rich. I don't know. I need to start a whole stack of random boxes that I just don't want to get rid of. Alright, this is it. 20 minutes, and all I did was make a mess. So, I'm going to stop for now. I'm going to run downstairs, get a couple more tubs to throw all these purses in it, and then they will be going up to my office. And then up there I'll decide whether I'm going to sell them or donate them or throw them away. And then I will be back. So this is the end of part 2. Thanks for watching. Please check back tomorrow because I'm going to have way more footage. As long as I get this done by Friday, then I am good to go. So, I don't know. These shelves shouldn't take too long. It was just the sorting through the purses that I still have that shelf of purses and then those shelves of purses. So, I don't know. Hopefully I get it done. We'll see.